Hello everyone, in this session I am going to discuss about some basic concepts of WordPress. WordPress is used for built-in websites and blogs. It is a web publishing software that powers about 35% of entire internet in US. So let us see agenda of this session. First we see what is a WordPress, then content management system in a WordPress. After that how to create a WordPress categories, then how to create a WordPress post. Second last, we know about how to add menu to the website. And last is how to add widgets to the website. First we see what is a WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in a PHP and paired with MySQL database. WordPress is the most popular blogging system on a website and allows updating, customizing, managing to the website from its backend CMS and components. Now we see what is a content management system in a WP. The Content Management System (CMS) is a software which stores all the data such as text, photos, music, documents and made available on your website. It helps in editing, publishing and modifying the content of the website. WordPress is initially released on 27th May 2003 by Matt Mulvey and Mike Little. WordPress was announced as an open source in October 2009. Before knowing about the basics of WordPress, we must need to know about our dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the first screen which will be seen when you log in into the administration area of your blog, which will display the overview of website. It is a collection of gadgets that provides information and provides the overview of what's happening with your blog. On the left side of dashboard shows the menus like post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools and settings. These menus are used for creation of a website. Next we see how to create a WordPress categories. For that first we log in into the dashboard. Then go to the post menu and category page. On the left side of the page, you will see a tab that allows you create a categories. Fill in the category name, its slug and category description and then press add new category. For example, here we will make a new category named as family post. After giving a category name and slug, click on Add New Category. Then the new category in your WordPress is ready. Here, Family Post category is ready. Then next is creating a post in WordPress. For that, same as to categories, first we log in into the dashboard. Then we get Post menu for create a post. There are several ways to add a new post, but in this the easiest way is to hover over the Post tab and click Add New. Alternatively, can hover over the New tab in the top bar and click on Post. You can also click on the Post tab and then click Add New at the top of the post screen. After that, enter the title of your new post. For creating a new post, put the title of your post in the first box at the top that says Enter Title here, as shown in figure 1. Then enter the body content. The big box below the title box is where you put all the text, images and the other content that makes up your new blog post. The WordPress editor also provides you with formatting tools like bold, italic, paragraph, styles and bunch of others. Then choose the feature image for your post. The feature image will be shown at the very top of the post. It will also be your post thumbnail. For that you click on Set Featured Image and you can upload a new image. And you also use image from your media library and set the feature image as shown in figure. After that, select tags and categories for the post. Tags and categories are located on the right side of the post. Tags are generally a bit more specific, and categories are usually broader. For example, if you were posting a cake recipe, your category might be baking, and your tag might be cake and birthday. The last step of post creation is to publish your post. Once you are happy with your post and finish your post, click on blue Publish button on the right hand side and your post will be live. Then next is how to add a menu to the website. Before adding a menu, first we define a menu and add item to the menu. For that, first we log in into the WordPress dashboard. Click on Appearance and get the menu option. In that, select Create New Menu at the top of page. Enter your new menu in the menu name box and then click on Create a Menu button. After that, your new custom menu has been created. Then next, adding item to a menu. You can add different link type into your menu. These are split between pans. left of the menu you are currently editing. For that, we follow the same step. Locate the pane until the pages. Within this pane, select the View All Links. After that, select the pages that you want to add by clicking the checkbox next to each page title and click the Add to the Menu button. Then last, click on Save Menu button once you have added all the menu item you want. Then your custom menu has now created. You can customizing the menu item using two types. First is navigation layer and second is original. After that, we add menu to the website. If your current theme supports custom menu, you will get able to add your new menu to one of the theme location. In the section titled the theme location, click the checkbox for the location where you want your menu to appear. Click Save Menu once you have made your selection and follow the given steps. After that, your new custom menu has now added to your site. Then next is how to add widgets to the website. Widgets can found on Appearance and widgets pages in your WordPress admin area. There are multiple ways to add widgets sidebar available in your WordPress theme. The easiest one is simply drag and drop them to your sidebar, as shown in figure. You can also click on widgets title from the list of available widgets. WordPress will show you a list of sidebar where you can add the widgets. Simply select the sidebar where you want to add widgets and then click on Add Widgets button and add to it. This is the second way to add the widgets to the website. Thank you so much for watching a video.